Check out this Kia 2020 Optima S. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include 185 horsepower, 2.4-liter inline 4-cylinder DOHC engine, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 8-way power adjustable driver's seat, air conditioning, audio controls on steering wheel, automatic transmission and Bluetooth. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.